My name is Clyde Sheets. I'm the Director of Interdisciplinary Arts. Students can expect to come into the interdisciplinary program and immerse themselves in the art forms that they are most interested in. I ask them to continue to build their skills and to look for the intersections between their art forms. And I emphasize leadership and professionalism. I think that any student who leaves here should be able to step into a professional environment and fully function as the kind of artist that they want to be in a professional environment.
How the performance is feeling.
My teaching style and philosophy is really hands-on. I want my students immersed in the work. I want them to be doing the work. I don't want them to be sitting and listening to me tell them how to do the work. They need to be active in their own education and take ownership of their own growth and understanding of where they want to go with the art forms that they are studying. Our touring to Miami, our touring to New York were both just incredible experiences for all the students involved. Myself and Sydney Harcourt really had some amazing work that we watched develop over the course of the class time. Then when we got to New York, just shone on stage in a way that we knew was there, but that's the magic of live performance, is that when you put those students on stage, something happens that is not planned, and yet it is absolutely extraordinary. We're really excited about the new spaces here at Interlochen for the Interdisciplinary Arts program. We have a black box theater that's going to allow us to do both traditional and experimental work, full lighting and sound package, video package, got a sprung floor. For movement, we're really excited about the possibilities that this space gives us. We have a teaching studio where we have also good sound and video packages, and students are really going to be able to stretch out in there and explore all kinds of work.
Hold on to that all the way through this process.
I came to teach at Interlochen because I think it's really important as a professional to give back and build that next generation of leaders and professionals in the arts.